Hi everyone, it's Roy again and I'm back with another property tip of the day. Now, very often you'll come across or you'll have to get plumbers to do work for you on your property investment projects. Now for me, on the schedule of works, I always make a plumber do one or two things. Now as you can see here, we've got a radiator pipework, it's open. Over there, we've got some more pipes, they're open. Over there, you might be able to see, we've got more pipes, they're open. Hot and cold pipes everywhere are open. For me, it's really, really important that you ask your plumbers, okay, or insist that when they've done their first fix, or as they're doing it, they cap every single pipe off. For two reasons. One, it stops any dirt getting in, because when you come to fill the system up, that dirt will guaranteed will cause a blockage somewhere. So you'll end up having to take taps off to flush it out. And secondly, I get them to label the pipework as well. Blue with blue insulation tape, red with red insulation tape, so you know which is hot and cold, okay? But also, I get them to pressure test the first fix pipework. So if they've capped everything off, they can pressure test it for a few days to see if there's any leaks before you come to plasterboard and plaster. Last thing you want is a leak. So that's my tip of the day. Till next time, ciao for now.